Hi everyone, welcome back to Flavors by Tinski. Today we're going to make some delicious crispy shrimps. I got this recipe from my auntie, and as everybody loves crispy shrimps in my family, I am super convinced that you can get enough of these too. What do we need? Flour, salt and pepper, 1 garlic clove, water, and some shrimps. Believe me, this recipe is super easy to make. Firstly, we take the grater plate to rub the garlic. If you don't have a grater plate, a garlic press is also good. For this recipe, the garlic must be very fine as you will put it into the batter. Now we take our big bowl with flour, put the garlic inside, and season it with salt and pepper. We slowly pour the water into the bowl and stir the batter slowly. It needs to have a good thick consistency, otherwise, if the batter is too thin and runny, it doesn't cover the whole shrimp when frying. It's time to heat up a pan with some vegetable oil in it. When the oil is hot enough, we dip the shrimps one by one into the batter until everything is covered, and put it immediately into the pan to fry it. Fry the shrimps until they are golden brown and crispy. And that's it. Serve it hot with some sweet chili sauce and enjoy it. If you like this video, press subscribe and follow us on Instagram too. I see you guys next time.